Hi guys, welcome back to Speed Cube Ninja. Today I'm going to show you some flags of countries on the 2x2 and the 3x3. Before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel as this motivates me to make future content. Let's go. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe down below and like this video. If you want to watch more cubing content, I will link some videos and playlists here.